Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again the Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame chart is very squeezed now, and you can see that the price and is still moving at the support. This is, by the way, the second week that the price and has broken down the basis, this blue line of Bollinger Bands that was a very strong support, and now it is dropped down here at the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. Previously, when it was squeezed here, then you can see that first we had a drop here at the support and then we had a very massive rally. And now it is again squeezed and the price and it's once again dropped at the support of the Bollinger Bands. Therefore, at any time, it can start a big volatile move to the downside or a really massive move to the upside. At the same time, you can see that this is the Bollinger Bands width indicator, and you can see that it is about to hit the support, this green line. And whenever the price and drops down at the support of the Bollinger Bands, you can see that was happening here and here. And you can see that when it was touching this support and moved up, then you can see that the price and also moved up and started a very massive rally and also broke out the basis of the Bollinger Bands. Then we had a very massive move to the upside, and it was happening here as well. And now we are again about to hit this support, this green line of the Bollinger Band width indicator. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And you can also see that stochastic on the weekly time frame chart has also entered the oversold zone. And whenever on the 7 days time frame chart, it enters the oversold zone, Bitcoin starts a correction move to the upside. During the bearish move or bear market, it starts a correction move. And especially in the bull market, it starts a very massive rally. Like here, when it was entered the oversold zone, and this bull run was, by the way, at that time was just begun. We had a very massive rally. It was happening here. It was entered the oversold zone. Then we had another very massive rally, and now it has again entered the oversold zone. And now we are about to receive a bull cross. When this blue line will cross up this orange line, that will be the buying signal from this oversold zone, like it was happening here. And you can see that we had another very massive rally here. Same as like that, we are again about to receive another bull cross from this oversold zone. And we will also take a look at this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Bioeconomy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 27th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And here on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that it is once again dropped at the support, the Bollinger Bands. And by the way, this is the second week that it is dropped at this support, and it is also moving at this support. That was the lowest price of the month of May 2024. That was at $56,500. And after that, the next major support will be here at $49,000. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, and now it can be flipped into a support. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support as well, because it was happening here. When it was dropped down here at the support, the Bollinger Band, we broke down the basis, this blue line, and it was slightly squeezed at that time. Then we had a further move to the downside, did not bounce from the support. And if it will be not bounce from the support, the Bollinger Band, then it can drop down this support of $49,000. And in case of breaking down this $49,000, there can be a further move to the downside, a very big further move to the downside. However, so far so good, the price and did not even touch the support of $49,000. Even it did not break down this support of $56,500 as well. However, it has formed a new low that you can see that this time it was stopped here at 53,500 and $50. Now let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands width indicator, and it is once again about to hit this green line. That is the support of this indicator. And during the bull run, whenever it hits the support, this green line, then the price then starts a very massive rally. You can see it was happening here when it was dropped down here at the support, and the price then was also testing the support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Band. Then we had another very nice rally when this blue line started moving to the outside the price and followed this blue line, the movement of the blue line, and it was happening here as well when it was dropped down here at the support of this Bollinger Band, and the width indicator was already at the support. Then price line started another rally, and now we are about to hit this support. For example, if this blue line will be slightly move more down to hit this support, then there can be a probability that we may see some further move to the downside, and we may test this support of $49,000. However, it is also possible that this blue line may not hit the support, and without hitting the support, it may move up from here in the price and follow the movement of this blue line and start another move to the upside from the support of the Bollinger Bands. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. And whenever it enters the oversold zone, it starts a correction move, especially when it happens on the weekly time frame chart. And even in the bear market, it does that. You can see that when it was entered the oversold zone, we had a very strong long-term bearish move or bear market. We had a price correction here. We had a small price correction here. We had another small price correction here. And then this next bull run was started. And during the bull run, when it enters the oversold zone, after that, it starts the new rallies like it was happening here when it entered the oversold zone. And it was also testing the support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. And Bollinger Bands was also squeezed even at that time as well. Then we had a very nice move to the outside. And now it has again entered the oversold zone, and it is about to form a bull cross. So far, this bull cross is not formed. And even this slow line is not entered the oversold zone. The fast line has entered. The slow line did not enter the oversold zone so far like it was entered here. Therefore, there is a probability that it may take some time in order to form this bull cross. And once this slow line will be entered the oversold zone, then we may see this crossover, and then the price line may start another move to the upside from here. By the way, this time if the price line hits the resistance of the Bollinger Bands, then this time the resistance of the Bollinger Bands will be approximately at $73,000. And before that, we will need to break out the basis of the Bollinger Bands, and the basis of the Bollinger Bands is moving at $65,200. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.